Palm sugar honeycomb cake or bánh bò thốt nốt has recently become a trendy afternoon snack among the Vietnamese teens and office workers. With a dark brown crust and slightly chewy texture, this fragrant cake pairs perfectly with tea. There is actually no honey in this recipe, but it's called honeycomb cake because of the beautiful honeycomb structure that will reveal when you cut out a slice. The recipe is pretty simple, but please follow the measurement exactly and the instruction closely in order to achieve that interior honeycomb look. Let's begin.
Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
You will need 110 grams of tapioca starch, 8 grams rice flour, 3 eggs, 140 grams of palm sugar, 160 ml of coconut milk, 4 grams baking soda, 5 grams baking powder, 8 grams vegetable oil. First, in a small saucepan, dissolve the palm sugar over medium-low heat. When it's melted, add 160 ml of coconut milk and stir well. When the sugar is completely dissolved, turn off the heat and leave to cool. Next, combine 110 grams of tapioca starch and 8 grams rice flour and sift into the mixture. Stir well to combine. Next, crack 3 eggs in a bowl and beat well. Strain the egg and combine with the butter. Add 8 grams vegetable oil and stir well. Leave the batter to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now preheat the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Then place an empty bundt cake pan into the oven for 10 minutes. Take out and brush with vegetable oil to prevent sticking. Then place the cake pan back into the oven for another 5 minutes. The cake pan should be really hot when you pour the batter into it. This step is very crucial for the success of the cake, so please do not skip it. Next, add the baking powder and baking soda into the batter. Stir to dissolve and quickly pour the batter into the pan through a strainer. Make sure that the cake pan is still very hot when you do this. Bake the cake for 20 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Then lower the heat to 160 degrees Celsius and bake for another 25 to 30 minutes. When it's done, turn off the oven. Keep the cake in the oven for another 5 minutes with the oven door slightly open, so the cake will not deflate because of temperature shock. After that, remove the cake from the oven and leave to cool. When you cut out a slice, the beautiful honeycomb structure will reveal. Perfect. The cake has a beautiful sweetness from palm sugar with a rich and fragrant flavor of coconut milk. You can serve with some coconut milk sauce and sprinkle with some roasted sesame for more flavor. I wish you success with the recipe. Don't forget to send me a photo if you give it a try. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!